Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Knowing if a girl friend zoned you, if your girlfriend or if your friend or if that girl talks about her period in front of you, that topic is something that we don't really find comfortable talking about. We can only discuss that with our fellow girls. It's most likely you're being friend zoned, man. Asking you to run a lot of errands for her. She sees that you like her, you are always in her space, and whenever she calls upon you, you do not hesitate. So she sends you on errands. You're not her errand boy. Do not run errands for her. Now you can do some little favors for her, but if it's getting too much, just know that she is using you. Let me tell you something. If a girl is sexually attracted to a guy, she doesn't use him as an errand boy. She has zero physical contact with you. And you can't read this sign? You're sexually attracted to her and you want to take it to another level. And she is not even physically getting in contact with you. You have to read these signs, man. Definitely you're being friend zoned because she doesn't want to get in that awkward situation. Yes. In fact, she doesn't want to lead you on. That is exactly what it is. When she tries to set you up with a family member or friend. Now, someone that you are romantically attracted to, she's trying to set you up with a family member or a friend. She'll tell you that she is not going to be relating with you on a romantic level. She wants to hook you up to someone so that you do not see her in a romantic manner. The next thing is that she won't go on dates with you. Whenever you invite her for dates, she's always trying to let you know that she's very busy. She doesn't want people to see the both of you in a public together because she doesn't want to give another impression. Another thing is that she might actually be single and she doesn't want maybe guys that she will see and like to actually think that you guys are a thing. So she would avoid to go on a date with you because you're going to spoil market for her. If she has ever mentioned that she only likes you as a friend, my guy, run. You are in a friend zone corner. She cannot just be telling you, I'm just seeing you as a friend. Sometimes they even tell you, I see you as a brother. If she's always comfortable talking about the guys that she likes, I'm telling you that she likes guys that are like this, but it is opposite of what you are. You are in a friend zone. She cannot be describing the kind of guys she likes that is directly opposite from what you are. That actually tells you that you are not her spec. Another point is that she maintains boundaries with you. There are things that she would love doing with you or she could permit you to do if she is romantically attracted to you, but whereby she sets boundaries, whereby you know the things you can do when around her and the things that you cannot do. That is setting boundaries. When we love a guy or when we are romantically attracted to a guy, we hardly set boundaries, except we are already in a relationship with that person and we set boundaries for ourselves. That is different from her setting boundaries with you. If we are attracted to a guy romantically, but we are not dating yet, we don't just set boundaries. It's that she is never alone with you. She is always around you with her friends. Maybe you say, let's go for a date, and she's coming around with her brother, with her sister, with her friend. Or she's coming to your house, or you guys are partying together. She's always coming with someone. She wants to avoid any awkward alone moments with you, because being alone with you could actually give you the opportunity to say what you want, and she doesn't even want to go straight ahead to giving you the chance to mentioning what you want from her. Another point is that she talks about why the two of you will never work out. Now maybe she's always telling you we can't work out because we are different individuals. We don't understand each other. You are this and I am that. We are two opposite individuals, if she's always trying to give you excuses or reasons why you guys can never be a good match, just know that you shouldn't be wasting your time on that girl. You should probably knock on the next door and dial the next number. Another thing is that she doesn't want you to meet her friends or her family members. Now, this couldn't be a sure sign. Some girls are so comfortable around you, although they friend zone you, they can actually bring you around their sister, whom they are so close. Maybe the sister actually understands that you are in a friend zone corner. She might have introduced you to her friends, her parents, or her siblings as just a friend. So this is another thing. When family members see a guy and a girl friends together, only thing they think about is that you two are a couple. So she might be trying all possible means to avoid that. She tries to cut your time together short. Now she doesn't want to spend so much time with you because she might feel like if she stays long with you, you would have the opportunity to mention that or start that conversation, which she has been trying to avoid. So when she stays with you for a short time, she's always telling you, I have something to do. I'm going somewhere. I have an errand to run. If she's always trying to cut your alone time or your time together short, she doesn't want you to tell her what she doesn't want to hear. She talks about her exes a lot. When a girl is with you and she's always talking about her exes, especially when they are magnifying and glorifying their ex, they are trying to tell you in a way that the people that have dated in the past is or are better than you. So you should try to start matching up yourself with them. When you see that you're not equal to them, it kind of gives you the spirit, that low spirit, not to even mention that at all. This happens a lot when they try to tell you that they are not ready to date anyone at the moment. Now they see that you are the guy that is present in the moment. So they do not actually want you to know that they want to be in a relationship. I'm telling you, they are very much single and searching. Once they see that person, they will be ready. But because you're not the type of person they want to date, they give you all the reasons in this world that makes them not ready to date anyone at the moment. They are just telling you that so that you feel that they are not ready. Maybe you will just feel yourself in that space and be like, when she's ready, I might be the next option. If she's mentioning that to you, please do not just stay there and wait for her to get ready, because she will never get ready for you. She is friend-zoning you. She does not want you to know that she is single and searching. The next point is that she talks about her sex experience with other guys. Now you guys are together, not like you're together, not like you are a thing, but you are friends. And she's noticing you like her. You might one day mention that you kind of want you guys to get things together. And she's always trying to tell you her sexual experience with other guys, not past experience. This could be present. This could be she telling you that she had this experience with someone the other day. Now she wants to tell you that she knack other guys, but you're not her type. So she cannot be telling you her sexual experience with other guys at the moment when she knows that you are attracted to her. Another thing is that she might ask you if you have any hot single guy or even married men that you could hook her or can hook her up with. Someone that you're romantically attracted to and maybe does not friend zone you or wants to get romantically attracted to you too, will not be telling you if you have hot single guys that you would hook her up with. Are you not man enough? Like, can't she hook herself up with you? Why would you be the one to hook her up with someone else when she knows you are romantically attracted to her? Now she's trying to tell you that you are not her type. She doesn't care much about your welfare. When we are romantically attracted to a guy, but we are not even dating, we care so much about their welfare. If that person tells you that he's not feeling okay, we make sure we call every single day to check up on them. But if she has friend-zoned you, you tell her that you're not feeling okay. Just to fulfill that duty of a friend that you are to her, she could check up on you once or twice to know how you're doing. Maybe the next time you guys are talking, she might not even remember that you told her that you're not feeling fine. She might not even ask about your welfare. Another point is that she might be discussing with you that she thinks that she might be a lesbian. I do this a lot. Whenever I don't like a guy and the guy is trying to get all romantically attached, I just use style and try to make you understand that I might be a lesbian, so that you know that I don't have time for guys, that I don't even have feelings for guys. And most times we do this, we can actually be comfortable changing clothes in front of that person. She might tell you that she never wants to get married and have kids. Now, when she's trying to make you understand that this marriage thing is not my thing, this having kids is not my thing, my focus now is just to make money. That's what I'm thinking of. Run. She has friend-zoned you. She doesn't want anything intimate to go on between the both of you. In fact, what they say most times is that this love thing is not for me. Now money are defined. You see, when it comes to relationship, love, it enters here and goes from there. So she's trying to tell you that whatever love matter you're having in your head is not for her, that she's not in for love, marriage, or having kids. She does gross things in front of you. She can, in front of you, visit the toilet. She's so free in front of you that she can do messy things around you. She can even change her pad in front of you. She can fart in front of you. She can change her clothes in front of you. The next thing is that she uses you. If a girl finds you sexually attracting, she doesn't use you. And then you don't let yourself being used. So if a girl is always using you, just know that she doesn't want any romantic attachment with you. Now I've been able to successfully give you 21 points that would actually help you to know if a girl has friend-zoned you. And these points are short points that is going to help you to pinpoint if that girl has friend-zoned you, so you know the next thing to do. And I will advise you, if you find out that your girlfriend or your friend has friend-zoned you, you don't need to keep wasting your time on them. You can follow my tip on how to make her desperately want you. If it doesn't work, just know that it won't work. Just spend your time with someone else. Take your time and spend it on someone who deserves it. You do not deserve that girl to keep using you as an errand boy. Do not be a Mr. Nice guy because you want to get a girl's kitty, okay? And I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification, leave a comment down there below on my comment section. And as usual, I'm definitely going to see you in my next video.